you're probably scrolling through dev posts right now looking at all like the cool hackathon projects and everything, or maybe you're a judge or something, and then you come across this and you're like, Minecraft, like what? What? But yeah, I think you're gonna really enjoy this if you stick around. So my name is Ryan Khan, and I'm a second year math and computer science student at here at McGill. And for McHacks 13, I decided to go solo because I wanted to build something that I'm extremely passionate about, like sincerely, but it's kind of niche. And anyway, here I am. So what I wanted to do is, or at least what I have done rather, is I built Cursor, but for Minecraft. So essentially what I did is, well, actually, I don't want to tell you what I did, but I'd rather just show you instead. I think it'll be more fun. So let's just hop into the game and let's see what happens. So if you don't know what Minecraft is, essentially it's just a sandbox video game where you can build things inside of it. It's very cool, and the world is made of blocks and whatever. Anyway, you can just build whatever you want in this big world. That's basically it. So I have this world open, which we can experiment on. And that's what people do a lot on Minecraft. We experiment instead of like playing the game how you're supposed to play it. So you see this world, like I'm flying even, like that doesn't, So this is a flat land, and it's really good for experimentation. And that's exactly what we're about to do right now. So what I did is I built, or at least one part of what I did in my project is I built a Minecraft mod by using Java, where you can take a wooden axe out of your inventory and you can punch it on the ground, and see, you have a region that is now being created following you, like on your crosshair, and it's geometrically being created like this. So I can punch the ground again to like put into stone the other corner, and now I have a region basically on the ground selected. Great. Well, what is this for? What could I possibly want to do with this? Well, I also, a part of this mod that I created for Minecraft, I made this command called Tesseract, which is the name of my project, and I put this subcommand called build. And next, what you can do is you can just write something that you want to see in this region being built. For example, I would like to build a wooden house, or let's say a cozy cabin. A cozy cabin. Now let's see what happens. And there you go. So now we have a wooden kind of cabin built for us automatically. And I know it doesn't seem that impressive, and the door is kind of strange over here, like what happened here. But this is extremely interesting because a large language model can, or at least an agentic system, can take a rather ambiguous prompt and know how to place spatially different items in this game, like this, as such. And it did it pretty well, actually. This is an alright cabin. Honestly, it's alright. It's not that bad, as you can see. So, there you go. Now let me just clear my selection so that I can free myself from this building, and let's do something else. What if instead, let's say right next door, I select some region again, and let's say like about this big. Can I build things other than houses? I think so. Let's try building. Why don't we try building a Gothic castle gate? Hey, that's not bad. This is pretty cool. Wow, that's actually very impressive. You can imagine how shocked I was the first time I got this working. But so that's pretty much it. You can use an agentic kind of workflow, which I'm about to show you, to build realistic Minecraft builds. So to explain extremely quickly how this works, basically I built a Minecraft mod in Java that communicates, basically it allows you to put a prompt directly inside of the Minecraft chat box that communicates to Gumloop through its API, and you have an input here, and then it validates it with some code. It passes it to an agentic kind of Claude essentially, and then you have some more code that has to run, an if and else statement, etc., and then some more, and then basically a nice JSON perfectly formatted output. And that's essentially how the game knows how to build blocks Now, not only did I essentially build a Minecraft cursor mod, but I also built a website that is kind of like Lovable, but for, Minecraft. So let's say I want to build a cute little wood house with windows or something, with let's say with torches around it. I can generate the build, and now you have a URL that is created, and you can go back inside of the game, and what you can do is I'm going to essentially just clear my selection of over there. I'm going to create a new section over here, let's say just some random section. And now what I can do is I can use this other command which I made, tesseract paste, and I put this URL. Boom, there you go. So you have a little house with torches around it. Pretty cool. Now I made some simple builds because I wanted to go fast for the demo, but imagine you could pretty much build anything you want. This is really, really cool. Thank you.